What's up everyone? In our previous video we talked a little bit about what sort of oil to use in your Nissan Skyline GTR. Today we're going to talk a little bit about changing the filter. After you've gone to your local auto parts store and picked out a filter, the next thing you'll need to do is change it. If you don't have one already, we strongly recommend investing in getting an oil filter wrench. The reason being is, on most RB26s, the oil filter is very hard to get to, and having one of these tools will make it drastically easier. You can also purchase a strap wrench like this, although we don't advise it as much, as sometimes the strap wrenches can break, especially if the oil filter has been tightened on far too hard by a previous owner. This is a side view of the RB26. Many of you might be able to spot the oil filter right off the bat, but just in case you can't, we've highlighted it here in red. As you can see, this motor is outside of a car, so it's much easier to see and get to. This is what the RB26 still looks like inside the car. Can you see the filter this time? It's actually tucked way down here. So again, this is why we advise getting a hold of that oil filter wrench, as this is very hard to access sometimes with your bare hands, and especially get enough torque to actually loosen the filter. Savvy GTR owners will eventually purchase an oil filter relocation kit. We've highlighted in this photo where the filter would be relocated to. As you can see, this is about 1,000,000 times easier, and that's actual math, than actually having to reach underneath that intake manifold and loosen the filter. While it may be a bit of a hassle to install this part, in the long run, doing your oil changes will be so much easier and less stressful. Our tech here has done various and extensive jobs on a Nissan Skyline GTR, and yet the oil change is one of his least favorites. It's such a simple thing that must be performed on all cars, but if you get a hold of that oil filter relocation kit, it can make doing this process a lot easier. So we would advise, if you're looking to own a GTR long term, investing in one of these parts. Unless, of course, you bought a car that has one already. In that case, good for you. Hopefully this video has helped you out a little bit. We'll be bringing you more videos like this in the near future. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can get updated with more videos like this. Thanks again for watching this video, and have a good one.